The American Medical Association has called for prisons to rank high on the priority list of those who are going to get the COVID-19 vaccine. Now, I spoke with one local sheriff who says this decision, while maybe unpopular, was made with logistical reasoning and medical reasoning. The state of Massachusetts revealing this week that prisons would be in phase 1 of the vaccine rollout, albeit prioritized behind healthcare workers and emergency personnel. Still, they're ahead of certain groups like grocery workers and certain high-risk seniors. Hampden County Sheriff Nick COCCHI says the reason for this:
it's congregate living. It can spread quickly.
The Hampden County Correctional Center in Ludlow is now down to 18 active cases among inmates after an outbreak of 82 cases weeks ago. COCCHI says many of the inmates were asymptomatic, meaning the virus could spread undetected. Plus, prison populations are ever-changing.
We got people coming in here every single day. People are getting arrested and coming to jail.
And COCCHI says the workers in the jail will get vaccinated as well. COCCHI says following the outbreak in Ludlow, 40 staff members remain out sick, something he doesn't want to see happen again.
My obligation and responsibility is to protect the people in our custody, the inmates, keep them healthy and safe. Well, my other responsibility is to protect my staff.
Inmates are under the care, custody, and control of the Department of Corrections, which means is that they can't care for themselves.
No one agrees more than DONNELL WRIGHT, who was formerly incarcerated. He was released in 2011 and explains how the conditions inside any jail make it difficult to stop the spread.
Social distancing is just not feasible. It's not possible. Sometimes you're in a cell with 2 or 3 other inmates.
And he says he hopes the decision to vaccinate prisons early will help protect everyone involved in the corrections process and their loved ones.
The correctional officers, they have families at home too. And when they go to work, they're in prison. They're locked up just like the inmates are. If you're understaffed, how are you going to run the prison effectively and efficiently? Who's watching the inmates if everybody is out sick? According to state officials, phase 1 of Massachusetts' vaccine rollout plan is set to go from December to February of 2021. Reporting live, I'm Audrey Russo for Western Mass News.